Hi guys, and welcome to a coffee chat. I'm Dr. Boomer Brown with Doing Good at Work. Well, today I want to introduce you to the 5H model. Okay, this model can help you make change in your life. We know these principles to be true, that change happens over time. And the best kind of change is the change that follows a systematic process to bring about lasting change. Not quick change, but we're looking at things that need to change for the long term. So how do you go about this process? Well, let me share a little bit with you about the 5H model. Well, it's a pyramid. You can see that in your mind. It'll help you remember it. There are 5H words. That'll help you remember it. The 5H words, as I will introduce them each week, help you to understand one of the rungs as you go up the pyramid, moving from the base to the top. You'll notice that there are some things that are in the private sector and some things are in the public sector. There's a line between head and home. The 3H words that are below the line are things that people can't see. It's things that are happening inside your mind. It's things that you're thinking about. It's things that maybe you have written down and you're dwelling upon. It's the things that you're talking to yourself about. Good, healthy self-talk. These are the things happening in the private space where people can't see. But they're always manifested in the public space. So we're going to talk about all 5H words and we're going to talk about the process. For today, I want to start at the base. The base, as I said in the little writing that you read earlier, it says that the first H word, the one at the base, is the most important word. It's the word heart. Heart. It's the thing, the passion, the purpose, the why. If you're going to make a change in your life, whether it's losing some weight, getting control of your finances, managing your time better, managing relationships, changing jobs, whatever it is that you're trying to change, if you're going to do that, you're going to have to know why you want to do it. Because change is difficult. Change can be tough. You need a source of power to help you make that change. And the heart is where that power comes from. It comes from the very center of you. It's what you believe. It's your value system. It's your purpose. It's the purpose for the change. It's the why you want to make the change. I can't oversell this part, but the truth is most people don't begin here. They just pick something out they want to change and then they try to change their habits or they try to change other things. The truth is I got to know in my mind why it is that I want to change. So as you start to formulate the change process, you think about something you want to change. Go ahead and do that right now. Think about one change that you want to make. And then start thinking about it and start writing out multiple iterations of why you want to change something. What it is that you want to change. Mull on a little bit. Let it dwell inside you. Let it start welling up. That's the heart part. That's the passion part. That's the drive part. It may mean that you need to go out and do some research. Maybe you need to talk to a coach, a counselor, someone to help you define what it is that you're trying to change in such a way that you can remind yourself multiple things, multiple times throughout the day. So that what you're doing is you're stoking the energy source to create the power that will bring about the change. Don't overlook the heart in the change process. It's not just all in the head. It starts in the heart. So I encourage you today, if you need to make a change in your life, whatever that is, start thinking about it. Start processing it. Start letting that power source develop in you. Don't be in a hurry. Mull on it. Think about it. Let it well up inside you. Feel the energy inside you. I want to change because. I can change because. I can do this because. If you can answer that question, why I really want to change, you'll be on the pathway to making a lasting change. I hope this helps you today, and I hope that you'll come back next week. I'll reveal the second H word, and we'll continue our way up the pyramid of the 5 H's because we believe that people want to make lasting change in their life, and Doing Good at Work is here to help you do that. Hope to see you next week on a coffee chat. Take care.